Hello kids! Today we're talking about basic geometrical shapes. Circle. Circle is a flat, round, closed shape with no corners or edges. A curved line is the boundary of the circle. Here are some examples of circle from our daily life. Triangle. Tri means three. A closed figure with three sides and three corners is called a triangle. Here are some examples of triangles from our daily life. Quadrilaterals. Quad means four. Shapes with four sides and four corners are called quadrilaterals. There are 5 types of quadrilaterals: square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, and kite. Here are some examples of quadrilaterals from our daily life. Pentagon. Penta is a Greek word for 5. Pentagon is a closed figure with 5 sides and 5 corners. Hexagon. Hexa is a Greek word for 6. Hexagon is a closed figure with 6 sides and 6 corners. Octagon. Octa is a Greek word for 8. Octagon is a closed figure with 8 sides and 8 corners. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.